Eyes application is indicated and rest in form of tennis elbow support or disc support is indicated. And in this particular point of time, electrotherapy is very helpful in form of ultrasound therapy and TENS. Once the pain is a bit lesser and the symptoms is in a bit chronic and subacute stage, instead of ice, we can use moisture. Then deep transverse friction massage, electrotherapy in form of ultrasound and TENS, stretching exercises and resistance exercises to improve the strength. Here I will like to mention about the deep transverse friction massage a bit. Deep transverse friction massage is a potent form of friction massage. It's applied on the exact site of the lesion with the help of the thumb. If the patient is having tennis elbow, he is having problem in the common extensor origin of the forearm. So we will apply the deep friction massage with the thumb on the particular site of lesion. If the patient is having problem with the de Quervain's disease, the pain patient feel on the styloid process of the radius. So we will apply the massage on the styloid process. If the patient is having problem with the supraspinatus tendon after the tendinitis, we will apply the pressure on the supraspinatus tendon over here. So it's directly applied on the exact site of the lesion, and the therapist applied to and fro movements with a small amplitude. And initially, while doing this massage, the patient may say that there is pain, but by doing this massage, the pain should gradually subside. But if the pain persists and the pain goes on increasing, that means the patient doesn't require massage at all, and might be the inflammation is still persisting. So in those cases, we will not go for this massage. So the indication of this massage is the pain should respond with the massage. If the pain is not responding, we should stop the massage and go for other treatments.
Respond means for
relief.
how long?
Sir?
Respond means how long would you do it before
Sir,
you assess response?
we generally do this massage for 2 minutes and we'll ask the patient whether the pain is decreasing or not. If the pain, if after 2 minutes, once again we apply the pressure and do the massage. If the patient says the pain is gradually increasing and it's not responding, then we should stop the massage.
Same day.
Same day, sir. Same day. In the same session also.
So let me get this clear. When do you, at what stage of the symptoms do you advise this massage?
When the
At
patient,
the initial stage, when the patient starts
No.
with the pain, we
No,
know
sir.
that.
No, sir.
So
No,
what
sir.
is the stage when you advise it?
when the patient comes to us, the patient says that he or she doesn't have any resting pain as such, and he is having pain only during the activity or a particular activity, and there is no signs of inflammation because there is no swelling, there is no redness, or the problem. Ask the history of the patient. The patient will have a history that the pain is lasting more than 1 to 2 months. That means the pain has gone to a chronic or subacute stage. In those cases, we can start with the massage. So what does this massage actually do? So in tendinitis or any kind of upper limb problems where the tendo-osseous junction is involved, there is adhesion formations. So this massage helps to break the adhesions. This massage helps to realign the collagen fibers during the healing, at the time of healing process, and further it helps to disperse the irritative fluid and improves local circulation. By all this means, finally it improves the pain. Here I am just showing the patient having a problem in the supraspinatus and in the chronic case of supraspinatus tendinitis, where we are applying a deep friction massage with the thumb on exact the site of supraspinatus. And one thing must be said, that following this massage, we should always go for ultrasound therapy, because the patient can have minimal discomfort after this session. So with the ultrasound, the patient have a much more relaxation of the muscles, and pain also relieves.
So basic massage is done with the thumb.
With the thumb, sir. So followed by this massage, one should go for ultrasound therapy. So these are the stretching exercises of wrist flexors and extensors we can give a patient of chronic